chassis, brake, and suspension systems form the foundation of every safe, stable, and high-performing vehicle. Manufacturing these critical automotive components demands precision engineering, strict quality standards, and efficient production management. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of chassis, brake, and suspension system manufacturing, helping businesses improve productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business process is connected through a single integrated platform. From engineering and bill of materials to procurement, production planning, fabrication, machining, assembly, quality inspection, inventory management, and dispatch, every department works together seamlessly. This eliminates manual processes, improves collaboration, and ensures smooth manufacturing workflows. Manage complex production schedules with real-time visibility into work orders, machine utilization, workforce allocation, and material availability. Intelligent production planning helps optimize manufacturing capacity, reduce bottlenecks, minimize downtime, and ensure on-time delivery of every